Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another video. I've got this cabinet Cooler Master MasterBox Lite 5. I have a lot to talk about this cabinet. Let's just go ahead and unbox it and I'll talk more about it. If you're looking for a budget PC and you are confused between which cabinet should you use, I think this is the right video for you. Watch till the end. I'm sure you'll like it. So let's just go ahead and unbox this beautiful cabinet. The side panel is not a tempered glass, it is acrylic and a very good quality. The acrylic side panel has rubber mounting for the screw and thus help to prevent vibration noise. The case is 18-inch long, 17-inch in height and 8-inch deep. Inside the cabinet you'll find a small box containing customizable trim. White and black color. SSD mounting is here and you have to unscrew to open the plate and screw your SSD in this plate and place it back. You get a user manual and a warranty information inside the box. This cabinet supports ADX, micro ADX and mini ADX motherboard. It supports up to 400mm size graphic card, so in this cabinet you can fit any size of graphic card. MasterBox Lite 5 comes with pre-installed one fan at the rear. The fan quality is great and over my expectation according to the price. At the bottom it also has rubberized finish, so the cabinet will stick at one place. You can fit 3 120mm or 2 140mm fan at the front. Unfortunately, there is no mounting at the top of the case for adding fan at the top. The top is completely sealed and it is non-removable. Customizable trim, red, white, black, looks decent and you can keep it according to your choice. PSU sits in the bottom of the cabinet and has a good room for cable management. The front I/O includes two USB 3.0, one mic input, headphone jack, HDD light, power button, and a very tiny reset button, which is actually helpful to prevent accidentally pressing reset button. You can use a pen tip to reset as it is tiny. If your fingers are too big, you won't be able to reset the CPU. Pen is a good tool to reset the CPU. Other side is metal. The two case at the bottom supports two 3.5-inch hard drive. To install this hard drive, you just have to simply press the lock and expand it. Place your hard drive, push that back to lock it. MasterBox 5 Lite has good quality, good cable management design, attractive look, and the front panel design makes it stylish. The acrylic side panel is good in quality and gives you feel of tempered glass. You can have a nice view of your components. So that was a quick unboxing and overview of this beautiful cabinet. This is one of my favorite cabinet within price 3,000 rupees, and the retail price in Indian market is 3,300. However, you can get it online for 3,800 approx. I will share the link in the description below. You can go ahead and check the live price of Amazon and you can make a purchase from that link. And talking about this beautiful trim which you can change, I personally like it very much. The front panel is a bit difficult to maintain because it really gets dirty, and the fingerprint is easily visible. So yeah, that's about this beautiful unboxing. I hope you have liked this unboxing video. Do let me know in the comments if you have any questions related to this cabinet or any other PC builds. And thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed, and I'll get back to you in the next video.